Harvard is the oldest university in the US, and its campus is potentially one of the most beautiful. So today we are going on a guided walking tour led by a student who actually goes here.
So throughout today's tour, I'll be sharing my own personal experiences here at Harvard, as well as some insider information about the university.
With its iconic red brick buildings, its auspicious history, Harvard is one of the most famous universities in the world. Its 209-acre main campus is located in Cambridge, which is just northwest of downtown Boston.
By now, I'm sure you've also noticed one of Harvard's most beautiful buildings here on campus. Right over there, that's Memorial Hall.
Founded in 1636, it is the oldest university in the United States. Oh my gosh, there is so much history here. I can't believe it. So that Memorial Hall was built in honor of the students who fought and died for the Union side of the Civil War. So this is the famous Harvard Yard, Harvard Yard. Do you think if I just go in there, people are gonna think like I actually go here? Walking on this tour and exploring the campus is a great way to see all the beautiful fall foliage. Behind me is Castle Lampoon. Now it's a clubhouse and they also publish a comedy magazine. Conan O'Brien actually used to work here, and a couple of the guys from here went off to create National Lampoon. Our guide is telling us all about the famous alumni that went here.
On the far right there, we have Kirkland House, home to a very famous Harvard dropout by the name of Mark Zuckerberg. So there you have the birthplace of Facebook.
The Memorial Hall was actually really interesting. It's a beautiful building. Being actually a fan of Harry Potter growing up, learning the Great Hall was modeled after a Harvard building was actually really cool to find out. It was really interesting to hear from the perspective of a student what it's like to go to sort of this famous university.
For anyone interested in attending Harvard, or if you just want to see what college life is like on this gorgeous campus, this tour is a must.